How to make your hair soft and silky. Soft, silky hair is desirable for an be of reason. It is touchable, healthy looking, and attractive. If you have been trying to get soft, silky hair with success, then you might want to try a Mortel Red Pro. Be using a product and strategy to work for your hair type, drying your hair in a way that keeps it soft, and trying the option like the mask, you can improve the texture of your hair. Use a volumizing shampoo. If you have thin or fine hair, then a volumizing shampoo will give you the best result. Make sure that you select a shampoo that is labeled volumizing or that is formulated for thin bar oblique fine hair. You can also try washing your hair every day instead of day. It will allow your hair as natural all soften your hair. Brush the natural all through your strand with a soft bristled brush for a soft, silky finish. Use a lightweight conditioner. With fine hair, it is important to avoid weighing down your hair too much with extra rich conditioner. Use a lightweight conditioner, on a tie labeled a volumizing, or on a tie formulated for thin bar oblique fine hair. Check the label for term like volumizing, lightweight, or made for fine bar oblique thin hair. Avoid cream, serum, and hot smoothing product. It may be tempting to apply some conditioning cream or smoothing serum to your hair for a silky finish, but the product will weigh your hair down. If you choose to use a smoothing product, use something lightweight and only apply a small amount to your hair. Applying the product to your root may give your hair only appearance. Use a rounded, soft bristle brush. A rounded, soft bristled brush will provide you with the best result if you have thin or fine hair. It will help to smooth out your hair cuticle and evenly distribute the oil. Wait until your hair is dry to brush it. If you blow out your hair with a blow dryer, make sure to use the lowest heat setting. It can easily damage fine hair. Spray your hair with a heat protectant. Using a heat protectant before you blow dry your hair is essential if you want soft, silky hair. A heat protectant can help to keep your hair moisturized and smooth. Apply the heat protectant tout entièrement off your strand before you begin blow drying. The blow dryer done. Strand off your hair a small cuticle all over your hair. If the jet ruffled, then your hair may appear frizzy. A minute blow dryer done can help you to get soft, silky hair by closing the hair cuticle. As you brush your hair, follow the brush with the blow dryer from above at angle to dryer so that the hot air will be flowing down strand from root to on. Finish with a blast of cool air. When your hair is dry, finish blow drying it with a blast of cool air. It will help to close the cuticle for smooth, silky hair. Many dryer have a cool air button or setting. To give your hair a cool blast, just press the cool air button or switch on the cool air setting. Avoid washing your hair daily. Your hair follicle produce natural oil, lippy, which add shine and softness. Washing your hair repeatedly with harsh chemical, such as the process most shampoo, remove the oil. Will removing the oil necessary at be become greasy in prance over time, washing your hair every day can strip away healthy oil. Try to wash your hair no more than every hot day or every fed day to avoid overwashing. Wash your hair more often if it is fine or oily, and less often if it is thick or dry. Use it product sparingly. Using blow dryer, fly on, and curling iron burn your hair en crête pliant. Dry, fragile, and broken hair will be difficult to smooth and appardi d'ondule. Try using it in to la little possible, or avoid to jet if you can. If possible, lay your hair dry after you wash it. If you must use a hair dryer, use it on a low heat setting to minimize it damage and always apply a heat protectant serum or balm first. Trim off spliant. If you do not get regular trim, then your hair may begin to look damaged and dry a resul of spliant. jet a trim every trait to formant, en human notice some improvement in the look and feel of your hair.